play the character out, I would just like to give some thanks to people out there. First, God, thank you for allowing me to be here. I pray every day that if I do have the opportunity to make it, that level, you will always be the first one to be thanked for. He's absolutely the reason why I'm standing up here today, why I got the part. So thank you, God. Thank you for my family for coming in town and everyone that's here. Definitely I am a little bit nervous. First premiere, jitters. But anyway, let's go into Donnie. So I play Donnie. He's a rich CEO, and I do business together with Keith, who is my brother, Keyshawn. And some unexpected things did happen, which you will find out in the film. But I grabbed some inspiration from Bruce Wayne.
This is the day when I finish the race. I make it somehow, no matter how long it takes. This is the day when I go all the way. I make it my own and say, here's to the dream.
Donnie played the hell out of that role, didn't he?
Really enjoying the process of filming everything. He was fantastic in really letting the actor to really be himself and really take the scene and make it your own. Because sometimes in your movies, directors can over-direct and kind of try controlling things. He was very good on letting me do what I had to do, and I was like, you know what, just keep the cameras rolling.
What did you say your toughest part on set was?
By far the final scene when it was me and Gabby, where we were, we had the wine and I had to get really emotional. A lot of emotional recall had to happen for that scene. It was funny. It's like I have Key just standing there and like I have this just stone cold face on him. Like he's like, "You all right?" I was like, "Just let me get in the moment. Like come on, just let me go." So I had to really just get really dark in my mind and think of stuff that you normally don't want to think of in order to produce the emotion that's going to be audience. A lot of it is really use emotional just resonance and just be in the moment and just know that you are this character right now.
How was your reaction being seeing yourself on the big screen, knowing that your family is out here, your support, knowing that you have to leave the road, knowing that this is the final copy and you're getting to see it yourself? Like, what is the first time you're seeing yourself and what is the first reaction?
Well, I was waiting for the 10 pounds of lean muscle to be added to my physique, which I didn't see, but no, it was amazing. It was something that like I don't really know how to explain it in words because it's like, wow, I'm on the big screen, had a very big part in this, and it was just exciting. It's like I'm watching this, I'm studying, like analyzing how I'm doing it. I had to do my best on being, a fan of it instead of a teacher, which is kind of hard to separate. But it makes you really hungry to, all right, this is done. What's next? Like, let me keep working on my craft. Let me keep getting. What can I do to keep working my way out? Like seeing that is just more motivation to keep going. I'm just so excited for all the opportunities I have.
Yes, I'm a dreamer.